What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is an unboxing of the April Loot Crate. Now, I don't know why they're like a month or two behind at this point sending me these, but regardless, they sent it over to me. And if you don't know what Loot Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box that you can sign up for. This one's like all superhero kind of stuff, so let's jump into it. First up, they sent me a can of Redbull with Ninja on it, the dude that plays Fortnite, like the amazing player on here. This has, if you're curious, 110 calories for one can. I am not an energy drinker, but if you're into this, you will get a can of Redbull. Next up is something I wasn't expecting, especially in a Loot Crate. Reusable straws. These are metal straws. I've never used a metal straw before, but after I clean these, because they're reusable, you can wash them and reuse them. Yeah, I don't know. You can drink your Red Bull out of this, out of these straws. It does come with this Loot Crate case as well, and yeah, save the environment and feel good about it. Then for all you Game of Thrones fans, it has I think the Dothraki guy from Aquaman. It's an Aquaman poster. And it's kind of like an advertisement to buy it on 4K, Ultra HD, Blu-ray, blah, blah, blah. There's also a snap code that you can use to, use your Snapchat filter even more. The theme for this is Showdown, and this says Showdown. This is a pin, and it says, this Loot Crate exclusive pin depicts the universal fight between good and evil. A badge, aka pin of honor to wear proudly, made by Loot Crate. So you can wear this proudly around your school and say, look how cool I am while I fight good and evil, or this thing fights good and evil, or this is about good and evil. Then have a really cool art print of Godzilla art print. It is a exclusive made by Loot Crate, but again, it's Godzilla with some dragons and stuff on there, so you could hang this on your wall. You then get this little handy your chance to play with Ninja thing on here. It tells you what to do if you want to play video games with Ninja. I don't know why you'd want to, maybe because you think he's cool, but looks like you can per this little flyer that is included inside. I then have a t-shirt, which is a Jurassic Park t-shirt, which is now too big for me. I've lost some weight, but yeah, I've got a t-shirt that I'll probably give to my wife so she can sleep in it very, very comfortably. And you just get a random t-shirt. You probably won't get the same t-shirt that I get, but yeah, this is the Jurassic Park. And lastly, we have a Captain America Avengers little toy statue thing that you'll stand up, hold up your paperback books of Babysitter's Club. So yeah, this will work awesome with that. Anyways, guys, if you want to pick any of this stuff up in terms of the Loot Crate, it is linked down below, like I said earlier. It's available, should be available right now still, even though it's April. So anyways, regardless, you can sign up and get this on a monthly basis. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace!